Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a DIY video for you. I'm gonna show you 4 different fall garlands that you can make. Like pretty much all of my DIYs, they're very simple. I featured a couple of them in my fall room decor video, so check that out if you haven't already. If you recreate any of these, make sure you tag me on Instagram or use the hashtag Jamie.Photo DIY. That's a new hashtag that I am releasing so that I can see your guys' recreations because I really love to see them. And now let's get into the video. You guys liked that. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know what your favorite garland was. Mine is definitely the pom-pom. I love pom-poms. I'm sure I will make a Christmas garland exactly like that, but just with Christmas colors instead. But yes, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that little notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Like I said, tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag Jamie.Photo DIY so that I can see your recreations. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.